Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we have a lot to discuss again about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is like always doing some really crazy stuff. And first of all, I wanted to talk about this Bitcoin trade we took yesterday, of course, over on my channel, and we can right now see that it's already racking in some crazy profits. We all know that yesterday on my video right here I told you guys about this trade that I was going to take, and we perfectly got filled just a few hours after that video went live, which is really nice. And we can see right now that Bitcoin is trading perfectly into the direction we want. And if you actually look at my Bybit right here, we can see that I currently have more than $260 in pure profits, which is of course really nice. And if you took the trade with me, then you probably have the same profits, or at least the same percentage gained, which is just really nice to see that everyone is making money with me over on my YouTube channel. So I think that deserves a like, and subscribe to my channel, of course, if you made some money with me because of my call. Now guys, for the rest of the video, I have some really important charts I need to share. If you're in this trade with me, then you definitely need to keep watching, because this can change the direction of Bitcoin forever, or for at least for the next couple of weeks. And this will also really influence our Bitcoin trade. But first, I want to show you guys exactly in the next 30 seconds how you can make another $10 to $15 in USDT completely for free. I already posted this on my Twitter and a lot of people are already doing this. But if you right now go to the first link in the description, and if you then click on the link, you will get to this page. Then you can see right here that you can get up to $25 completely for free. The best part is you don't need to do anything. You have 3 days left to do this. All you need to do is register for the event, complete tasks below to win lucky draw tickets, and then you can spin this wheel and you can get free USDT. We can see right here that a lot of people are currently getting free USDT. You can see you get a 2 USDT coupon, a 5 USDT coupon, and you can spin a lot of times. All you need to do is demo trade for 1 day for 1 spin, demo trade for 3 days for 2 spins, and demo trade, like it says right here, for 7 days for another 2 spins. So yes guys, you heard that right. If you simply demo trade right now on Bybit, demo trading means you don't use your own money, so it's completely free. You demo trade for 7 days every day. You can just take random trades, it doesn't really matter. And you do that using the link in the description, then you can literally get 5 free spins, and with those 5 free spins, there's a really big chance that you get at least 0.5 USDT all the way up, of course, to 25 USDT completely for free. I don't see the reason why you will not do this, because it's literally free money. So make sure to go to the first link in the description if you want to register for the event. You do need to do it with my link, especially made for me and for my community, so make sure to check it out, guys. That being said, let's just immediately jump into the chart, because Bitcoin is really busy right now and it's looking really good. We can see yesterday, of course, I drew this heat map of all the higher highs and the higher lows, and we can see right now that Bitcoin perfectly broke above this higher high, which is really bullish to see for Bitcoin. We can see right here we created this higher high, of course, right here. Then we saw this middle range being taken out and creating a lower high, which of course also really bullish. And now we perfectly broke this higher high structure right now, potentially sending us in another higher high. And our next target is also where our take profit is going to be, all the way here at these candles right here at the top range and at our another higher high. So yeah, it's really bullish right now that we broke the higher high, and that is really important. And it does seem like that we are going to hold this higher high structure right here, which means that Bitcoin remains in an uptrend. Also, if we just simply look at this chart right here, we can see that we are currently in a perfect uptrend, and every time we touch this line right here, it seems like we are getting a pretty good bounce, just like we're getting right now, with our target, like I said already, at $28,125, somewhere around that level. And yeah, we are currently perfectly in another uptrend, which is still really bullish. As long as we don't break this uptrend, I do really think that Bitcoin is going to perfectly play out this trade. And if this trade does get played out, I will be making a lot of money, more than 60% on my trade, and you will get the exact same if you did follow my trade. Then if we look at this chart right here, this is the 1 week chart, we can see that the 1 week chart is not looking bad at all. If we just simply break the $28,000 area again, then this red weekly candle will turn into a green weekly candle, sending us in a higher also on the 1 week chart, which is really good for the next couple of months for Bitcoin, because if we can simply flip this into a green candle and close it into a green candle, then that's going to be really good for Bitcoin, potentially sending us all the way higher, because we simply want to see higher highs right now just like this. And if we get a green weekly candle, that's definitely going to help us, because if we don't get a green weekly candle, then it could also turn into a lower low, of course. But for now, there is a big chance that we are going to get that higher high as long as we close a green weekly candle. Then I already showed you guys this chart, but we also have this chart here over on the 5-minute chart. Why am I showing you guys a 5-minute chart? Once the stephan breaks out, this video is still not uploaded. Well, just wanted to show you guys that you can also make a lot of money simply scalp trading Bitcoin, or what we right now are doing, a little bit of swing trading Bitcoin. And we can see right now that we are perfectly creating this symmetrical triangle. And we can see right now that if we break out of this symmetrical triangle, we can get a small push to the upside, which will also help you with the trade. Of course, which will push our trade into even more profits with a potential target of $27,000. So if you're not certain if you should hold that trade, because of course I only post one YouTube video every single day, and I can't update you guys on my YouTube channel every hour, then you of course can follow me on Twitter, on Telegram. But if you don't have that, then you can simply monitor the trade yourself by drawing patterns yourself on the 5-minute chart as well, 1 minute, 1 hour chart. Even if I'm not there, there is still a lot of opportunity to see if the trade is going into the good direction when I am not monitoring it or giving you guys trade updates. So I just wanted to show you guys this right here, that this is really important, and we can see right now that we are seemingly breaking out of the symmetrical triangle, which is going to be perfect for our Bitcoin trade. Then I have this chart right here, and this chart is just really magnificent for me. This is just so clear for me right now. We can perfectly see that we were holding on to this area right here. Of course, if I take it with a line, it's looking even better. This is perfect support, and this is where we entered the trade, right around here, creating a perfect rounding bottom with right now maybe even a cup and handle, potential cup and handle pattern, which can send us all the way to our local highs, of course. But yeah, this is just a perfect trade for me that we took, and it seems like right now that we are creating a cup and handle pattern over on the 1 hour chart, and also just a rounding bottom. So we went from a rounding top to a rounding bottom, which means that there's a big chance that we're now going to another rounding top, and then maybe even another rounding bottom, making us higher highs again. And yes, you heard it through the entire video. I've been talking a lot about higher highs, and that is because higher highs are just really important for Bitcoin, and especially because we are right now still trading in this same range we have been trading in for over 45 days. It's absolutely crazy because we are still trading in this range. We did try to break out a little bit, but it didn't really work, and we are still trading in this range. So as long as we don't get out of this range to either the downside or upside, we still need to see where we're going based on higher highs and higher lows, which can of course decide the trend for us. Then have a look, you guys. I will give you guys one more thing, and that will make the trade even more bullish, which is that the crypto funding rates are basically completely negative. If you don't know what this means that shorts have to pay longs, which means that a lot more people are currently shorting Bitcoin than they are longing Bitcoin, meaning that a lot of people are right now willing to pay a premium to short Bitcoin, which means that there are a lot more people shorting Bitcoin right now, which means that there's a big chance that we are going to get a short squeeze. And this happens a lot. If the funding rates are basically completely negative like we have right here, there is always a big chance that we are going to see a short squeeze to the upside, which is really good for our Bitcoin trade. And that is why I am still holding our Bitcoin trade we took yesterday, right now racking in over more than $300 in profits almost. And we can see right now that we're almost at 19% in pure profits, which is absolutely insane. And this is one of the best trades we have taken in the last couple of weeks, because of course Bitcoin was really boring, and now it's finally moving up a little bit, and we have some really good trading opportunities. So if you don't want to miss any of the trades I am taking over on my YouTube channel, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel with notifications on, so you don't miss out on any other update videos. And I will definitely let you guys know once I close this trade. However, I will just probably leave it till it hits take profit, which is of course all the way at $28,135, because our take profit seems like it will probably get hit within the next couple of maybe hours or maybe days, based on how quick Bitcoin is going to pump up or down. So yeah, Currently, I'm really excited for this Bitcoin trade. What you can also do is simply move your stop loss into profit, which we have right now an entry of about 27,329. So you can put your stop loss just above that, so you always leave and get some profits if Bitcoin does decide to get one crazy flash dump. So yeah, that is currently what I am doing for Bitcoin. If you learned something from this video, I'd highly appreciate it if you could like this video. Like I said, subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you don't miss any trades and any update videos I make on my YouTube channel about crypto and Bitcoin. And that being said, I will let you guys know if anything major happens for Bitcoin, and otherwise I will just see you guys tomorrow in my next YouTube crypto update video.